Well, good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming back. Today, I wanted to talk to you about the different ways to apply oils. Today, I will only be covering topical. There are a few different ways to do it. One is neat. That means that there are no other oils. You're just taking your little bottle and putting it straight onto your skin. Next would be diluted, and there are a few ways to dilute it. To get it onto your skin to dilute it. Basically, you're just mixing your essential oil with a base or a carrier oil. It's called a carrier oil because it carries the essential oil to your skin. Some oils need to be diluted. Um, so some of them are called hot because they produce a warm or hot sensation on your skin, like cinnamon, clove, and thyme. Others cause a cooling sensation. They are still considered hot, and they should be diluted. Peppermint is one that does that. There are a couple ways to apply a diluted oil. You can put some carrier oil, like olive oil or coconut oil, and just right into the palm of your hand. Take your essential oil and put a couple drops onto that and mix it all up, and then apply it wherever you wanted to use it. You could also put it in a roller bottle. Sorry, forgot to go grab my roller bottle beforehand. I've got one here. And then with the cap off, it's got this little metal ball in it. The oils, we put the essential oils down in here, and then we fill it the rest of the way with a carrier oil. And if you're going to use coconut oil, you should do fractionated coconut oil. And it's been processed in a way that keeps it from returning to a solid state. We're able to remove this little plastic or rubber thing that the roller ball sits in to get the oils in. It's not that hard at all. So there's that way. You could also put your essential oils in a carrier oil in a little spray bottle to spray it on. I believe you would have to thin it out a little for it to come out the spray nozzle, but that takes a little bit of witch hazel and some water, so that the witch hazel helps the essential oil to mix with the carrier oil, because we know water and oil don't mix. Sorry, I'm just turning the page on my notes so I can make sure I hit everything that I wanted to today. Let's see. And then there's the topical method that I am calling passive. It's because your intent isn't to put the oils on your skin. The oils are a bonus. Like when you apply makeup, or when you're cleaning your house or washing your clothes. Even though you're cleaning, there are still chemicals, or applying makeup, there are still chemicals in there. And those chemicals only take 26 seconds to hit your blood. There's a lot of chemicals in those products that you don't know, that you wouldn't normally be putting into your body. So let's see, where am I? This is why a lot of us are doing what is called a ditch and switch. Basically, we are ditching all the harmful chemicals in our products as best we can by switching over to items that are actually beneficial for us, like the household cleaner or the Savvy makeup line. Let's see. We even have like supplements and stuff. So if you have questions or comments, feel free to ask me in the comments below. I'm sure you're not the only one with your question. Hit the like, or better yet, the share button if you liked this video. If you want to start your own ditch and switch, to sign up, use the link below, or if you're on Instagram, go ahead and use the link on my bio page. I will see you guys next week for part 2, aromatically using your oils. Bye.